Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we love to speculate about the future. Today, we're going to paint a picture of what Mobile, Alabama might look like in the not-too-distant future. Firstly, let's talk about transportation. Imagine self-driving cars being the norm, allowing us to work or relax while we traverse the city. Meanwhile, public transit systems will be more advanced, with hyperloops and high-speed trains capable of whisking you across town in record time. As for living spaces, 3D printed houses could become the norm, and potentially even more energy efficient than our current dwellings. Plus, we could see more vertical cities with skyscrapers that are self-sustaining and even growing their own food. Now let's talk tech. The internet could be faster than ever before, thanks to advances in quantum computing and fiber optic technology. Smart homes will be even smarter, with voice commands controlling everything from your lights to your appliances.
And don't forget about smart cities.
They'll be able to monitor traffic patterns and allocate resources more efficiently than ever before. Lastly, let's talk sustainability. Mobile could soon become an energy leader, with renewable sources like solar or wind power becoming the norm. So there you have it, folks, a glimpse into what Mobile, Alabama might look like in the not-so-distant future. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting content like this one. Until next time, folks, keep dreaming big. Private companies offering trips into space from nearby launch sites.